We're in a car wash.
In a car wash.
First time being in one by myself. Hopefully I did it right.
I taught her. I'll get the story of
It's coming first! Ah! What is this?
It's a wipe. So you can wipe like all this.
Does this actually smell good?
It smells like fresh.
Start up live. I feel like I'm deaf. Oh my god!
I have them and they work too.
Oh, yeah.
My cars smell the same now.
It's not going on all the way. I'm gonna break it. It's a long mirror.
I got you.
I think I can take this off.
Don't do that.
There's just like
Oh, I got you, girl.
What if I roll down your window?
She's so intense. She's so excited. Well, this is your first time behind the driver's seat.
Text Suds! Kids, get a free car wash, Missy!
I already, that's what we're doing.
I might need another one. Hold on, I'm gonna text Suds real.
Hello. That has got to feel amazing. That's got to feel good.
What? A clean car?
Yeah.
It smells so good. I love the smell of a clean car.
If you lift all this up, it'll clean it. Look at her.
She's so clean. Imagine if I went forward. I don't actually. I need to buy one.
The Dollar Tree has a ton of cute mini trash cans.
What time is it?
124.
I don't think that's right.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Look at her being all accurate. It's hot.
Yeah. I mean, technically, you can't.
No, I
There's a
can't.
curve. I know.
Oh, I forgot I moved my seat. Wow. Can you go?
Yeah. Why isn't it
I pray nobody's behind me. I'm not looking.
Or are your mirrors in the right position still? Sometimes they do.
Yeah, they're fine. Forgot what I was doing for a second. Let me back up. My car, dude. Please return our towels.
So many people steal.
I bet. We'll just go this way. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah, just go out by the light. So go all the way to Home Depot. It's probably easy.
So it's 124. Can we go on Home Depot?
Do you want to?
I do.
Okay. They have like Christmas stuff. I want to look for one of those like crew necks that's like deer pattern or whatever it's called. That's really small. Don't you have to be at work at 2? Oh no, 3.
I have to get the car back to my dad by like 2:15.
Hour.
Just my stop sign too. Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, you're the first one. How many is all for?
It's a puppy!
Look, they're just like.
How much for it?
What? Where's the puppy?
In
Oh,
her hands! Dude, I'm trusting you.
Just go. No, that red dog's
Oh my gosh. Teared up live. I love the dog.
My motto
Why is
is.
he walking like that?
Go, go, go. My motto is literally if you just don't stop, then you have no other choice.
Oh, okay. I'm typing right there.
Corbin said, might as well call her a girl here.
Me?
Yeah, because I said that you just like really want to go to Home Depot.
I really do.
It's okay.
Are these like reserved parking?
No.
They said something on the thing. Oh crap. I'm just gonna like pull up there and think. I'm guessing this is his red truck. Oh, they're not gonna be able to get in their car.
Not our problem.
They're gonna key my car.
Absolutely not our problem.
When they key my car, it is.
No. Okay, my mission is to look for one of those crew necks.
See, both of us want to go, not just me.
I don't even know if they'll have. That is horrifying.
Go again. That's me. Do this one more. It's spirit. Come on. Oh, get it. Go down. He's broken.
No, he's just not like you.
How are you? I would like that. I wish.
Hello there! Does your family have any Yuletide traditions?
He laughed at
Mrs.
us.
Claus and I always enjoy a big feast with our elves on Christmas Eve.
You're terrifying.
And afterwards, we try to
Who are you
guess
talking
what's
to?
inside our presents under the tree.
Who's he talking
But
to?
no peeking, or you just might
Oh,
get
God.
moved to the naughty.
Hi, buddy. The mouse? He's so cute. So freaky. I just left the car. Look at Yoda. Yoda's terrifying. Ooh, this is pretty.